In today's video, we will know some disadvantages of eating a banana. Don't forget to press the like button and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for latest videos notification. Let's get started. Disadvantages of banana. 1. Constipation. Unripe bananas can cause constipation as they contain a lot of starch, which is tough for the body to digest well. Bananas also contain a lot of fiber pectin that draws water from the intestines. 2. Nutrient imbalance. Your body needs a balanced assortment of nutrients to function well. If bananas dominate your diet, your stomach has little space for other healthy foods. 3. Excessive fiber may cause digestive problems. Moderate amount of fiber is good for your digestion. Consuming large quantities of fiber can cause abdominal cramps, gas, bloating. In fact, excessive fiber may interfere with the absorption of minerals like calcium and iron. 4. Weight gain. Bananas are high-calorie foods. While banana makes a good snack, consuming more than 2 bananas can definitely pack up more than 300 calories. 5. Sleepiness. Bananas contain tryptophan, the amino acid that is known to help you sleep better. Carbohydrates in bananas are said to block amino acids from entering the brain. 6. Dental health problems. Banana is a sugary fruit. Even if it contains natural sugars, it does bring some harm to your dental health. One of the most common problems by eating too much sugar is tooth decay. 7. Barely contains fat. Bananas have no fat, which makes it a good fruit to lose weight. However, everyone needs some amount of fat in their diet. 8. Tooth decay. These bananas are full of sugar, natural sugar, but if you exceed the limit, there is a chance of including tooth decay. The acid from too many bananas can eat away at your tooth enamel, thus causing damage to your teeth. 9. Lack of protein content. Bananas are known to contain less amount of protein, which nowhere a healthy produce. Protein is necessary for the build and repair tissue and is a vital part of a healthy diet. 10. Headache. This is because bananas contain certain amino acids that are known for causing blood vessels to expand. There's more to it as well, with overripe ones can be problematic. If you liked the video, then hit the like button, share the video with your loved ones, and don't forget to subscribe the channel for amazing fitness and diet related videos, and also press the bell icon for the latest notification whenever I post the video for your fitness growth. Thanks for watching. Smiling face with smiling eyes.